Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here. What it do? And today, you guys, I have another unboxing. So if you want to see what I have, keep on watching. Okay. Alright, you all. So I placed an order for this bag from Amazon. This is a Bottega dupe bag. When I tell you this bag is beautiful, it is stunning. But let me tell you, first things first, I don't like how it came. Yeah, it came in this bag. This was on my porch. The other side of this has my address. It was in this, y'all, on my front porch. I was like, come on, Amazon. Now, you know, Amazon will send you a big, huge box for one toothbrush. And I was like, really? So, I don't like how this came. But anyway, let's get into it. Okay, you all. So, it also came in this bag right here, okay? So, let's get into it. Y'all, this bag is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. This is like the Bottega, I want to say, and Dynamo bag. Sickening, y'all. This is the small one in black. This bag is so beautiful, you guys. This bag was $89. I do believe that they charge you on Amazon based on the color, and I think that this one was the more expensive color, the black, but it's in like gray, two different browns, green, like a sage green. It's in a few colors, but I went with the black. Y'all, I'm not taking off any of this stuff because I'm going to send it back. Let me see if I can show you though. If I can just slide it. Uh-oh. But it has the buckle and everything. But I'm going to send this back, you guys. And I'm going to tell you why. It does. Let me come up. Okay. So you can see it better. Okay. Y'all, this bag is just, it's the bottom. There's no feet on this bag. Okay, it has a magnetic closure right here. Okay, like I said, this is the small one. This bag, it comes in small, medium, and large. I want to say this is 9 inches. The 9-inch one is the small one. It does have a strap. I think it's 2. Is it 2 of them or 1? Yeah, it's 2 straps. The other one is here in the front right here. Yeah, it has a strap. You can open it up like so on the side. I don't think I would ever carry it with the strap. I would just carry this top handle. Y'all, this bag is sick. Let's pull this out. So it's just one big opening right here. It has a pocket right here. It has a zipper. It goes maybe like halfway down the bag. And then it has a little back side. It has a divider. The divider does not go all the way to the bottom. So whatever you put in the front, it can slide over and wind up in the back. Okay? This bag is so gorgeous. Now, let me tell you why I'm sending this back. This bag is 100% polyurethane leather, right? Like I said, it was $89. I wanted to try this bag. This bag, I want to say it's $4,100 for the small. She is not spending that, of course. And I want to say the large one is $4,900 or something like that. She ain't able. I'm able, but she ain't able. You get my drift. So, the reason I'm sending this one back is because after I ordered this, I'm browsing online and I found this exact bag in 100% genuine leather for like $30 more. So I was like, polyurethane leather, real leather. I paid the money. And you guys, as you will see, I am on a black bag kick right now for whatever reason. I love this bag in black. I do. I still may get it again in black, but I'm going to get this bag in the chocolate brown in 100% leather. So that's the only reason why I'm sending this back, is because I found it, you know, in leather instead of polyurethane leather. But other than that, y'all, this bag is simply gorgeous. Of course your phone and stuff will fit, but let me see if one of my notebooks will fit. One moment. All right, let's see if some of my larger items will fit. This is my Louis Vuitton, girl, the 19. I can't think of the name. The 19. This, let's see, in the front. I mean, it'll fit, but you see it's still poking out. If you don't care about that, sideways, no, this won't fit. So the 19 will not fit, okay? One of my larger makeup bags, this one, that fits in there. Let me move the strap back so you can see. It fits in here, no problem. Plenty of room, so that fits. So of course we know that this will fit. Those two fit in there, no problem. Now, will one of these fit? Probably just standing. Standing, yes, it fits, but there's no way that you can get it sideways on this size, okay? My sunglasses case, y'all know this is my hang up because it sticks out like that right here. So let's see. That fits. So what I did is I turned the lock. I turned it like it's like you want to open it, like that. I don't know why that makes a difference. It wants to focus on everything, but so anyway, I just turned it sideways. And it can fit in the front like so, or it can fit back here in the back because I still have a lot of room on the back. Keys, of course. We'll put that back there in the back. Just something. Of course, that slides down in there. We still have room. One of my other notebooks. So all of this is in here, you guys. I have a notebook. Let me turn it this way. So in this back compartment back here, we have a notebook. Because we know these two don't fit. So we have a notebook. We have a key holder. We have a card holder. In the front, right here, we have sunglasses case. We have a mini pochette. And we have a cosmetic bag. And we still had a little room. This bag, yes. Yeah, one more thing. I forgot to show you all the handle. So this is how the handle looks on here. Just a plain black handle. Alright, yes. Like I said, the only reason why I'm sending it back is because I'm getting the genuine leather one. But, yes. So I think I need this in the brown and the black. What do y'all think? Like, I think this bag is so beautiful. It's so classic. It is so classy. And I think I can have this for a very, very, very long time. I think I can wear this to church to dinner, to an event, to work. Y'all, I've been cleared to go back to work. Look at God. Will my husband let me? No. But anyway, anyway, this bag is beautiful, y'all. I will put the link for this down in the description box if you guys want to order one, if you want to check it out. But yeah, stunning, y'all. Stunning. Well, all right, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys for real, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.